Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to give our 2015 Ram a custom look with significantly improved visibility with some super bright LED lighting. The factory fog light bulbs on our 2015 Ram are dull, yellow, and ugly, and it's time for them to go. So today we're going to upgrade them with these PUTCO LED fog light bulbs. These are PUTCO Silver-Lux LED fog light bulbs designed to fit your 2011 to 18 Ram without projector headlights. They're going to be direct fit plug-and-play replacements that put out an impressive 4,000 lumens with a color temperature of 6500K for a killer look and better visibility. They feature a ribbon-style heatsink for reliability and to make it fit in tight spaces. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Installing these LED fog light bulbs is pretty simple. All we have to do is get down here in the wheel well. We're going to fold this fender liner up. You don't need to do this at all to access the fog light. We're just going to do it for filming purposes so you can see it better. Okay, like I said, you didn't even have to fold this up, but now we can easily access the fog light. It's right here. Pull up on the tab right here to release the connector. Pull up on this tab to release the connector. Unplug it. Then twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Grab your PUTCO LED fog light bulb and make sure that both pieces are assembled. Then you can install it. Rotate it clockwise to lock it. And then plug your PUTCO harness into the factory harness. Once you have it connected, repeat the same process for the other side and you're done. And here's a side-by-side comparison of our LED fog light against the halogen headlight. As you can see, the LED is much brighter and the cool white makes it look a lot better too. Okay, we got our PUTCO LED fog lights installed in our 2015 Ram. They are so much better than the factory halogen bulbs. They're a lot brighter and the cool white gives it a nice modern look. Installing it really couldn't be any simpler. You don't need any tools. It should only take about 5 minutes and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.